Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kiddie Sign In. Initial ages of a child is ideal to develop and boost the child's brain. Activities are the best tool to achieve this. So I made this video to present some simple activities which will be very helpful in this direction. Fruits and vegetables are key subject for kids early learning. So I use them in my video. There are total 6 fun activities in this video which are excellent for strengthening child's brain. Besides, helpful in learning the names, colors, shapes, alphabets and differentiate between fruits and vegetables. These activities are performed using the stuffs available at home. Now let's start. First activity is fruits and vegetables sorting activity. In this activity, I am using some pictures of fruits and vegetables and also two separate plain papers on which I write fruits and vegetables separately. Now, the child will pick pictures one by one and segregate them on the paper according to fruits or vegetables. This will help the child to differentiate between the two. Now watch how my child conducted this activity. Hello! Start your activity.
Apple, banana, guava, cherries, gold, iron, potato, peas, tail.
Second activity is fruits matching activity. I am using fruits, some of them are original and some are toys, and keep them into a basket. I am also using pictures of these fruits pasted on sheet. Now the child will pick the fruits one by one and put them near the matching picture. This will help the child to know and recognize the various fruits. Just see how my child carry out this activity. Hello Kyan.
Hello.
Now start. Today's activity is to match fruit with picture. Okay?
Okay.
Now start. Yes. Which fruit you want to pick first? What is this?
Apple.
Apple. Very good. Next fruit?
Banana.
Where is banana picture? Wow.
Yeah.
Watermelon. Next? Orange. Where is kiwi? Oh, what is this?
Pear.
Pear. Next?
Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Strawberry.
Last fruit is?
Guava.
Guava. Clapping. Third activity is vegetables matching activity. This activity is same as previous activity wherein fruits is replaced by vegetables. Just see how my child carry out this activity. Hello Kyan. Now starts vegetable activity. Okay? Yes. Which vegetable you want to pick? What is this? Brinjal. Next vegetable. What is this? Capsicum. Next. Where is onion? Yes. Bottle gourd. Clapping. Fourth activity is fruit tree activity. In this activity, I draw a tree on a plain paper and paste it on a wall. Then I will take some toy fruits. Now the child will pick the toy fruits one by one and paste them on the paper tree using double-sided tape. Through this activity, the child will know that fruits grow on tree. Just watch out my child's act. Hello. Now start your activity. Put fruits on the tree, okay?
Okay.
Now start. What is this?
Apple.
Very good. What is this?
Oil.
Wow. What is this?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. Yes. It's okay. Wow, clapping. How to eat apple? Activity 5th is matching fruits and vegetables with their alphabets. For this activity, I am using various fruits and vegetables whose names start with different alphabets like A for apple, B for banana. I am using pictures of these alphabets and place them on a sheet. Now the child will pick the fruits and vegetables one by one from the basket, match with their respective alphabets and place them near the alphabet. This activity is good for knowing alphabets of various fruits and vegetables. I would like you to view my child's activity. Kyan, now start your activity. You have to match alphabets with fruits and vegetables. Okay, Kyan? Now, what is A for?
Apple.
B for?
Banana.
C for?
Carrot.
Carrot.
Cat.
For?
Green.
K for?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. L for? Next, O for?
Water.
O for?
Orange.
P for?
Peel.
S for?
The bee.
T for?
The bee.
Tomato. W for? Can W for? Watermelon. Wow, clapping. Sixth activity is matching fruits and vegetables with their colors. For this activity, I will take different colors, fruits and vegetables. I will also take colorful sheets matching these colors. Now the child will pick them one by one from the basket, match with the respective color sheet and place them over the sheet. This activity is helpful in learning the colors of various fruits and vegetables. Just see my child's activity. Now today's activity is to match fruits and vegetables with their respective color sheet. Okay?
Okay.
Now start activity. Start your activity.
W.
Which color is this?
Red.
Red. Can tell me the color of banana? Can tell me the color?
Yellow.
Yes. Color?
Green. Green. Orange. Orange. Purple.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos.